Fluke Calibration digital bench multimeters have the precision and versatility to handle the most demanding measurements on the bench, in the lab, or in a system. Which meter you choose depends on the speed, resolution, and accuracy you need for your application. The 8.5-digit 8588A is the world's most stable digitizing multimeter, designed for the metrology or calibration laboratory. The 8.5-digit 8558A offers 5 megasamples per second, high-resolution digitizing for system automation in manufacturing test. The 8845A and the 8846A 6.5-digit precision multimeters provide precision and versatility for bench or system applications. The 8808A is a versatile 5.5-digit multimeter for manufacturing, development, and service applications. Are you choosing a digital bench multimeter? Choose Fluke Calibration for precision, performance, and confidence.